Hello, I'm Hassan. Welcome to UTECH showroom. Today I will introduce you our new product, the engraving machine 𝐒-𝐏𝐑𝐎 Pro. I will show you the main machine and its features and advantages. This machine is the latest professional machine developed by our team. Whether you are an individual entrepreneur, a large or medium-sized enterprise, you can easily use it and benefit from it. It's an amazing craft with a wide range of applications, and especially it can reach a speed of 100 meters per minute, which is making it a higher productive choice. Now let's take a look at its features and main advantages. First of all, you can see the X-axis of the machine utilizes all aluminum gantry for lightweight and rigid construction, complemented by steel strip rail gate and GNT Taiwan 1.5 helical rack with 40-foot gear inside and Shimpo 1-to-10 reducer. All these features work together to ensure precise movement and higher production efficiency. The machine has an aluminum splicing column for lightweight and rigid construction. Additionally, the entire drive system of the machine is powered by a lithium L7 with 750 watts for exceptional speed and stability. This machine adopts a motor spindle of 3 kilowatts water-cooled, also 40,000 RMP speed. Also adopts a cooling system, which is CW3000 SNA water chiller. This cooling system ensures stable operation at high speed by preventing overheating, which can reduce performance and damage the spindle. In the other side of the machine head, we have a CCD camera. Also, we have a high-power oscillating knife with 150 watts. This oscillating knife can complete cutting tasks faster and improve production efficiency. The machine is also equipped with a dust collector vacuum and 5.5 kilowatts air-cooled vacuum pump. The working table is made of 25 mm thick PVC, divided into 4 zones and 8 part areas to increase surface area and improve absorption efficiency. The 𝐒-𝐏𝐑𝐎 Pro machine is versatile and can function as a multi-purpose machine, working with different modes, including routing, engraving, cutting, and oscillating knife. It has also high automation and lets you automatically adjust your working modes according to your parameter setting to improve production efficiency and reduce costs. Whether you are creating art or working in industrial production, this machine can meet your needs. UTECH multifunction engraving machine has higher precision and stability. Whether you are processing wood, metal, acrylic with spindle, or foam, sponge, clothes, or other material with oscillating knife, it can precisely realize your working design to meet your processing needs. This multifunction engraving machine not only has a wide range of application, but also easy to operate and powerful. It will provide unlimited possibility for creativity and makes your design even more wonderful. If you are interested in this machine or have any question, please feel free to contact the UTECH team. Thanks for watching. I'm Hassan. I will see you next time.